What if the biggest barrier holding you back from achieving true financial freedom isn't the amount of money you invest, but the weight of your single source of income? Most people spend their entire lives trapped in a traditional mindset, believing that the only path to a high-paying career is a 4-year university degree and a mountain of student debt. They trade 40 or 50 hours of their week for a fixed paycheck, watching inflation slowly erode their buying power while waiting for a minor annual raise that never truly changes their lifestyle. But while they are playing by the old rules of the economy, a quiet revolution has completely reshaped the global job market. The truth is that companies today do not care about a piece of paper or a fancy title anymore. They care about a very specific set of specialized capabilities that solve highly profitable problems. These are known as high-income skills, and they possess a unique economic superpower because they allow you to dictate your own rate and break free from the traditional hourly trap. You do not need a background in tech or corporate finance to master them. In fact, the entire trajectory of your bank account can be completely transformed by choosing to focus on just one of these hidden areas over the next 12 months. Most people never realize this until it is far too late, and they spend their best years chasing the wrong milestones. But the architecture of modern wealth is much simpler, and we will reveal exactly how the first major skill works in just a moment. The single greatest mistake beginner investors make is trying to optimize an income that is simply too small to move the needle. You can build the most perfect budget from scratch, cut out every single subscription, and save money consistently. But if you are only making $20,000 a year, your financial velocity will always be severely limited. You cannot invest your way to millions if you do not have enough fuel to pour into the machine. This is where the concept of leverage comes into play. When you master a high-income skill, you are shifting from a consumer mindset to an essential producer mindset. The first critical skill dominating the global marketplace right now is high-ticket digital copywriting. This is not about writing academic essays or basic blog posts. It is the precise psychological art of using words to convince someone to take an action, whether that is purchasing a premium service or joining a high-end program. Every major international business is constantly fighting for attention online, and they are more than willing to pay thousands of dollars to anyone who can craft compelling messages that convert cold traffic into loyal clients. If you enjoy practical wealth-building lessons like this, consider subscribing to Michael Invests for more videos about taking control of your financial destiny. As we move deeper into this shifting digital landscape, an entirely new asset class of professions has emerged, creating a massive gap between those who adapt and those who get left behind. This brings us directly to the second capability, which is performance-based media buying and digital advertising management. Right now, millions of brick-and-mortar stores and online companies are trying to navigate complex advertising platforms to reach new audiences. Most business owners are brilliant at creating products, but they are completely clueless when it comes to managing ad budgets or targeting the right customers. If you can step in as a specialized media buyer and turn $1 of advertising spend into $3 of pure revenue, you become an indispensable partner to that business. You do not charge a basic hourly wage for this service. Instead, you negotiate a retainer fee plus a small percentage of the profit you generate. This creates a natural loop of compounding income where your earnings rise automatically as the business grows. However, there is one invisible trap that destroys 95% of beginners before they even landing their very first premium client, and we need to examine that problem carefully before moving to the third major skill. The trap is trying to learn everything at once and becoming a generic generalist in a market that only rewards extreme specialists. When you claim to do everything for everyone, you have zero leverage, and you are forced to compete on price against millions of others on freelance websites. To avoid this, you must anchor yourself in a highly specialized niche. This leads us to the third high-income skill, which is premium video editing and visual storytelling for digital brands. The modern economy runs entirely on short and long-form video content, yet the vast majority of founders and executives do not have the technical expertise or the time to script, cut, and polish their own material. If you can take raw footage and transform it into a high-retention asset that builds trust and captures millions of impressions, you are effectively controlling the most valuable currency in the world, which is human attention. A specialized visual editor who understands pacing, retention hooks, and audience psychology can easily secure multiple retainers worth $3,000 a month each, completely bypassing the need for a university credential or prior corporate approval. Before we discuss how to package these skills so you can automate your client acquisition, you must understand a fundamental law of the new economy. Your personal portfolio is your real resume. The market does not care how many books you have read or how many courses you have purchased. It only cares about proof of execution. This reality leads perfectly into the fourth skill, which is automation engineering and workflow architecture. As modern business operations become increasingly digital, companies are using hundreds of different software tools that do not naturally communicate with each other. This creates massive operational bottlenecks and wastes thousands of hours of manual labor every single week. An automation architect is someone who builds digital bridges between these tools, allowing data to flow seamlessly and saving corporations massive amounts of time and money. By learning to connect complex systems behind the scenes, you become the silent operational backbone of a company, and they will gladly pay a premium price to keep your automated systems running smoothly. This brings us to the fifth and final skill, which is high-ticket remote sales closing. Every single company that sells a high-end service or corporate training needs human beings to hop on a call and help qualified prospects make a final decision. You do not need to do cold calling or pushy sales tactics. The marketing systems handle the lead generation, and your sole job is to act as an advisor, guiding an interested person through the process and helping them overcome their fears. Because high-ticket services cost thousands of dollars, a single successful call can generate a commission of $500 to $1,000 for you. Mastering this specific conversational skill allows you to generate significant income from anywhere in the world, using nothing but a laptop and a steady internet connection. When you combine any of these high-income skills with the investment systems we discussed in our previous videos, you unlock the ultimate wealth acceleration formula. You use your high-income skill to generate massive active cash flow, and then you immediately funnel that surplus directly into your automated investing machine. If you want to understand exactly how to allocate this new influx of capital to maximize your passive returns and protect your portfolio from unforeseen inflation, click the video appearing on your screen right now. It will show you the exact next step in your wealth-building journey on Michael Invests.